designated father of the district, Dr. Wilfredo P. Aborque, our dynamic school principal, Ma'am Mariana Maji Caneda, ever-supportive barangay officials, GPTA officers, to our very hardworking teachers, proud parents, the graduates, visitors who are around, friends, to all of us here, ladies and gentlemen, a warm and a glorious afternoon to all. I can't help but feel ecstatic and grateful as I stand on the verge of starting a new chapter in my life. I am incredibly grateful to everyone who has helped shape my journey this far as I approach my elementary school graduation today. Initially and foremost, I would like to sincerely thank my parents. Your steadfast love, support, and encouragement have been my beacon of hope during these elementary school years. You have always been there to encourage me to aim high, to celebrate my victories, and to dry my sorrows. I appreciate your confidence in me and for giving me a strong base on which to go. I express my gratitude to my teachers for their priceless knowledge and their patience in fostering my development. I now have an insatiable desire to learn because of your enthusiasm for teaching and commitment to our education. I sincerely appreciate all that you have done to make our classrooms a secure and motivating environment. You have done above and beyond. I am grateful to my friends for the innumerable moments we have shared. This journey has been made unforgettable by you. From the giggle-filled recess breaks to the group projects and after-school outings, elementary school has been a happy and rewarding experience because of your support, friendship, and shared experiences. Additionally, I would want to thank everyone else, all the stakeholders who have worked behind the scenes to keep our school running well. This location feels like a second home because of your commitment and hard work, and I appreciate all of your hard work. And lastly, I'd like to thank God for giving me the strength and guidance. I am pleased with my perseverance, fortitude, and the development I have undergone over these elementary school years. I have risen above difficulties by taking on challenges head-on and persevering through them. I'm happy with the person I'm becoming and thrilled about all the opportunities that lie ahead. Let us keep this word of appreciation close to our hearts when we part ways and take various journeys. Let us reflect on the knowledge gained, the relationship made, and the help we have been given. We will continue to accomplish greatness in all that we do if we use thankfulness as our compass. Finally, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to all of us, the graduates of Batch 2024. You have all put in many hours to get this point, and now that we have it, we stand here as a tribute to our tenacity and resolve. Let us take with us the memories we have made, the knowledge gained, and the relationship we have developed as we depart from the golden hallways of our elementary school. May the fortitude and moral fortitude we have acquired during our K-12 education help us to move on into a future full of achievements, contentments, and limitless opportunities. By working together, we can change things and create a better world for present and future generations. Thank you, and congratulations, class of 2023-2024.
Once again, we